From hair to diabetes, discover the magic of meti or fenugreek seeds for your health. Meti or fenugreek seeds may look tiny, but they are packed with health benefits that will make you want to sprinkle it on everything. So, let's dive in and see what are the health benefits of fenugreek. Meti or fenugreek seeds can work for different health conditions. Get ready to add a little spice to your life, or more specifically, to your health routine. If you haven't already heard of the wonder herb fenugreek or meti seeds, then you're in for a treat. This versatile little seed is packed with a plethora of health benefits. These range from promoting hair growth to managing diabetes and improving digestion. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of fenugreek and its health benefits. Fenugreek is a plant that has been used medicinally for centuries, and is known for its numerous health benefits. Rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A and B6, iron, fiber, biotin, magnesium, manganese, and copper, fenugreek is a powerful antioxidant that promotes good health. Health benefits of fenugreek seeds. 1. Fenugreek seeds for hair growth. One of the most notable benefits of meti is its ability to promote hair growth. The meti seeds contain a range of nutrients that can help nourish the hair follicles and encourage healthy hair growth. They are rich in protein and nicotinic acid, which are essential for hair growth. It also contains lecithin, which hydrates and strengthens the hair shaft. Fenugreek is a natural conditioner that can help prevent hair loss, dandruff, and premature graying. It also improves the texture and volume of hair. Fenugreek seeds can be soaked in water overnight and ground into a paste to be used as a fenugreek hair mask. You can have longer tresses with fenugreek seeds. 2. Fenugreek seeds for weight loss. The dietitian explains that fenugreek can aid in weight loss by boosting the metabolic rate, suppressing appetite, increasing satiety, and reducing calorie intake, particularly in the abdominal area. Fenugreek contains fiber, which can help reduce appetite and promote feelings of fullness. It also contains compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent overeating. 3. Fenugreek seeds for diabetes. Fenugreek is also known for its anti-diabetic properties. The fiber in fenugreek can form a thick gel in the intestines, making it more difficult to digest sugars and unhealthy fats. This can help manage blood sugar levels and improve overall health in people with diabetes, says Dalal. Fenugreek also contains an amino acid called 4-hydroxyisoleucine, which stimulates the production of insulin in the pancreas, which will turn out to be helpful for people with diabetes. Manage your blood sugar levels with fenugreek. 4. Fenugreek seeds for acne. Another benefit of fenugreek is its ability to treat acne. By eliminating toxins from the body, fenugreek can improve skin health, and its natural oils can hydrate and moisturize the skin. The presence of nutrients like beta-carotene and vitamin C in fenugreek seeds can also boost skin elasticity and relieve constipation. 5. Fenugreek seeds for digestion. Fenugreek can improve digestion and prevent stomach disorders. Its high fiber and mucilage content can act as a bulk-forming laxative and improve constipation. Fenugreek can also soothe gastrointestinal inflammation by forming a protective barrier over the intestinal lining, reducing the risk of colon cancer. 6. Fenugreek seeds for cholesterol. Meti seeds can help prevent cardiovascular diseases by lowering cholesterol levels, particularly total and LDL, bad, cholesterol. It also contains saponins, which prevent the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. It can also reduce symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. Meti seeds can be used to fight bad cholesterol. How to use fenugreek seeds. 1 teaspoon of meti seeds overnight in a cup of water. You can drink the water first thing the next morning, and if you don't mind slight bitterness, then you can chew on the seeds too. This can help decrease the insulin response, manage blood sugar levels, keep your appetite in check, and also keep diabetes at bay. As you can see, fenugreek is a versatile herb that has numerous benefits for hair, diabetes, cholesterol, weight loss, and digestion. However, it is important to note that fenugreek may interact with certain medications, and it is important to consult a healthcare provider before using it as a supplement.